according to me on that. Naji chavang numei lhen. What type of quality woman would you choose for your wife?
Okay. First of all, I would like to tell that for a woman to be my wife, the woman that I like to be my wife, according to me, I don't care much about the face. It's all in the heart, because the heart is what makes a man or a woman. And according to me, a girl should be well educated to learn about the education of her children and to know how to judge the family and how to guide the family. Because as a man works and earns money, a woman is the only person who looks after the family. That's all. Thank you.